how to split a list based on a condition. What's the best way, both aesthetically and from a performance perspective, to split a list of items into multiple lists based on a conditional? The equivalent of. Is there a more elegant way to do this? Here's the actual use case to better explain what I'm trying to do.
Problem with all proposed solutions is that it will scan and apply the filtering function twice. I'd make a simple small function like this. That way you are not processing anything twice and also are not repeating code.
Here's the lazy iterator approach. It evaluates the condition once per item and returns to generators, first yielding values from the sequence where the condition is true, the other where it's false. Because it's lazy, you can use it on any iterator, even an infinite one. Usually, though, the non-lazy list returning approach is better. Edit. For your more specific use case of splitting items into different lists by some key, here's a generic function that does that. Usage.
Is there a more elegant way to do this? That code is perfectly readable and extremely clear. Again, this is fine. There might be slight performance improvements using sets, but it's a trivial difference, and I find the list comprehension far easier to read, and you don't have to worry about the order being messed up, duplicates being removed, and so on. In fact, I may go another step backward and just use a simple for loop. The list comprehension or using set is fine until you need to add some other check or another bit of logic. Say you want to remove all 0-byte JPEGs, you just add something like
I basically like Anders' approach, as it is very general. Here's a version that puts the categorizer first, to match filter syntax, and uses a default dict, assumed imported.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.